Hello children, welcome to Math Park. Our today's topic is speed, distance and time. So we're going to solve the basic problems and the conversion of time, distance and the speed from kilometer per hour to meter per second and meter per second to kilometer per hour. Do watch till end. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe, share with your friends as well. So let us understand how to change the units of time. So write 24 minutes as a fraction of an hour. So 24 minutes, if you have to change the minutes to hours, we divide it by 60, 24 by 60, which is 2 by 5 hours. Write 54 minutes as a decimal of an hour. So minutes to hours again, we divide by 60, 54 by 60. So we have 9 by 10 and 9 hours. Change 7 by 12 of an hour into minutes. Hour to minutes, we multiply by 60. 12 times 5 is 60. So we have 12 5s are 60. And 5 times 7 is 35. So that is how 7 by 12 hour is 35 minutes. Change 0.3 hours into minutes. 0.3 multiplying by 60, we get 6 3s 18. And that is how we get this as 18 minutes. Speed is a measure of how fast a vehicle is traveling. Okay. So when the speed is constant, the formula connecting the speed, distance and time is speed is equal to distance upon time. If the distance is measured in meters and the time is measured in seconds, then the speed is measured in meter per second. We write it as m oblique s or meter per second, s to the power minus 1. If the distance is measured in kilometers and the time is measured in hours, then the speed is measured in kilometer per hour. Let's solve one problem. A car takes 3 hours, 20 minutes to travel 300 km at constant speed. Find the speed of the car in kilometer per hour. Now the time is given in hours and minutes. So we need to convert that minutes to hours. Speed is distance upon time. So we first change 20 minutes to hour. Converting minutes to hours, we have just seen that we divide by 60. So it is 1 by 3 hours. So speed is distance divided by time. 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 10 upon 3. So it is 300 divided by 10 upon 3. 300, when you divide by 10 by 3, 300 times 3 by 10, and that is how you get 3 3s are 9. So this is 90 kilometer per hour is the speed. Got it? So very important that if the speed was given in hours and minutes, we need to convert this time into hours. Okay. A car is traveling at 54 km per hour. Change the speed of the car into meter per second. To convert the kilometer per hour, remember the trick. We just multiply by 5 by 18. So we get 54 km per hour is going to be 54 times 5 upon 18 meter per second. Just multiplying by 5 by 18. 18 times 3 is 54. 3 5s are 15. That is how you get 54 km per hour is equal to 15 meter per second. So what to remember? To convert kilometer per hour, we multiply by kilometer per hour to meter per second. We multiplied by 5 by 18. Now converting 50 meter per second to kilometer per hour. A car is traveling at 50 meter per second. Change the speed of the car into kilometer per hour. So we just do reverse. 50 meter per second will be 5 by 18 we did earlier. Now we'll be doing 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. Okay. So 5 times 10. So we get 10 times 18. It is 180 kilometer per hour. So we have 50 meter per second is equal to 180 kilometer per hour. So just remember to convert meter per second to kilometer per hour, multiply by 18 by 5. The formula speed is equal to distance upon time can be rearranged to give time is equal to distance upon speed and distance is equal to speed upon into time. Okay, so the following triangle is useful memory aid for remembering the three formulae. So DST, this is the triangle created. To find the formula for finding time, if you know now speed is equal to distance upon time, you already know. Just put the finger on T, you get distance upon speed. So time is equal to distance upon speed. To find the formula for finding D, just put over D, you get distance is equal to speed into time. Okay. A bird flies for 48 kilometer at a speed of 8 meter per second. Calculate the time taken in hours and minutes. Okay. So first convert 48 kilometer into meter. We get 48,000 meter. Now we have to calculate the time taken. Distance divided by speed. So distance was 48,000 divided by speed, which is 8. 8 6 are 48. We just get this as 6,000 seconds. Now to convert 6,000 seconds to minutes, we divide it by 60. So we get time is equal to, this is time is equal to 6,000 dividing by 60. So we get this as 600 minutes. 60 minutes make 1 hour. So this is how the time taken is going to be 1 hour, and 100 minus 60 is 40. So 1 hour 40 minutes. Understood? Let us understand how to find the average speed. So average speed is total distance traveled divided by total time taken. So we can use this formula to find this. Let us have the question here. A car travels 75 kilometer per hour for 3 hours, and then we know that we change the speed according to the how the road is and all, right? And then maybe there will maybe some traffic or what, and then the speed is 60 kilometer per hour for 30 minutes. Calculate the total distance traveled, calculate the average speed for the whole journey. So first let us find the distance when the speed is 75 kilometer per hour. So we know that distance is equal to speed into time. So 75 times 3, we get this as 225 kilometer. When the speed is 60 kilometer per hour, the distance is 60 times 30 minutes is half an hour, which is 30 kilometer. So the total distance is 225 plus 30, that is 255 kilometer. The average speed is total distance traveled divided by total time taken, which is 255 divided by 3.5, which we get it as 72.85 something. So rounding to one decimal place to correct to three significant figures, we get the speed, average speed as 72.9 kilometer per hour. So children, this was about the speed, distance, time. We learned about the conversion of speed from meter per second to kilometer per hour and kilometer per hour to meter per second. We also learned about how to find the average speed. If you feel that this video is helpful for you, please share with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.